Do you want to build your career in the animation industry, multimedia industry, or game design industry? If yes, then do watch this video till the end. AAFT School of Animation is the answer. In this video, you will not only find out about the benefits of joining AAFT and doing these courses, but also about how you can develop your skills further to increase your chances of employability in the future. In India, even though many students after completing their 12th class go on to do their graduation and masters, they are still unable to get jobs. They struggle to get a name and fame and enough money, and that is because of doing traditional courses. Traditional courses are mostly theory-oriented and do not give practical or vocational knowledge to students. They are outdated and do not teach industry-oriented or business-oriented skills to students, which leads to unemployment. On the other hand, an industry like the animation industry is a skill-oriented industry, and AAFT School of Animation gives the same practical expertise to their students in this field. At AAFT, there are several courses in the field of animation that can help students gain practical skills for a successful career ahead. 3D animation, visual effects, multimedia design, game art, game design, and development. In all these courses, there are 3 months certificate, 1-year diploma, 3-year UG degree, and 2 years master's degree programs available to study. Why should you learn animation from AAFT? AAFT School of Animation has been one of the pioneer institutes for creative education in the country for over 25 years. And it offers specialized programs curated by experienced faculty and industry stalwarts who also form the board of directors of the institute. AAFT School of Animation will not only prepare you for the industry, but also help you develop unmatchable skills to outperform and stand apart from your co-workers at your job. Animation is an integral part of the filmmaking process and the electronic media industry, as almost every project today needs packaging, motion graphics, and special effects. AAFT School of Animation is one of the leading institutes associated with the film and TV industry, and add to that the advantage of it having its very own film company called Marwah Film Company that will help you gain real-time work experience on live VFX projects. There are many more benefits of studying from AAFT School of Animation. For instance, the infrastructure available is modern and world-class, with not only theory lessons but also digital labs that give practical training to the students using the latest industry standard softwares and tools. There is a sketching lab, a sculpting lab, 2D and 3D animation lab, high-end workstations, video editing lab, gaming studio, chroma studio, photography studio, and so on. When students work in these labs, their skills are enhanced further to develop them into professional level experts. The course in a way acts as an internship, as when the students work on the class projects or industry projects as part of their course, they can share the same showreels and portfolio with the future employers and get jobs very easily. In fact, the students can also establish their own business venture based on the projects showcased in their showreels and portfolio. There are also several master workshops conducted by international animation artists and seminars conducted with top Bollywood celebrities who share their knowledge and experiences with the students that benefits them greatly. AAFT School of Animation also holds an international animation festival which has various contests like animation craft competition, character design competition, face painting competition, mask making competition, gaming tournaments, digital art and design competition, and so on. Students also get the opportunity to showcase their projects and showreels at the festival. This also allows the students to get job opportunities with prospective employers and clients who attend the festival. The alumni of AAFT School of Animation have earned a lot of success along with name and fame, such as Abhinav Bajpai, who was the graphic designer and post-production animator for the Oscar-winning short documentary film Smile Pinky in 2008. Then there was the Amitabh Bachchan star of film called Ux, which employed AAFT alumni Anushri D. Kalmakar as the head of special effects for the film. Another alumni called Sandeep Gupta worked in a TV series Desh Mein Nikla Hoga Chand as a special editor. Gopal Krishna, who works as a senior designer at DreamWorks Animation Studios, is also an AAFT alumni. And there are many more who have very successful careers with big film projects and famous production houses across the country and the world after studying from AAFT School of Animation. So what are the career opportunities after doing this course? You can become a creative designer, graphic designer, motion graphic artist, web designer, 2D and 3D animator, art designer, stop motion animator, animation film director, effect artist, composing artist, cartoonist, 3D modeler, storyboard artist, and so on. There are innumerable opportunities with a number of skills you can develop from AAFT School of Animation. You become eligible for countless job profiles and in fact work independently as a freelancer as well, or even have your own business venture. Now let's talk about the several sectors of the industry where students can get a job. A student can get employed at a film production house, animation studio, advertising agency, print and publishing companies, TV studios and channels, web design and development companies, event management companies, game design companies, and digital marketing companies. The options are manifold, and the roads are many. In my opinion, get in touch with our student counselors and find out about the courses that suit your needs the most. And whatever questions you have, our counselors will guide you and help you towards choosing the best possible field of study and getting the opportunity to build a successful career ahead.